Top 6. Best corded circular saw. However, when it's time to choose the right corded circular saw, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best corded circular saw on the market today, so if you're interested in what corded circular saw will work best for you, stay tuned.
Ideal for framers, roofers, and carpenters, the 7 1/4 inch magnesium circular saw. The 15-amp motor with a max output of 2300 watts delivers proven performance. Made with magnesium components, this saw is well balanced with less weight. It has a beveled capacity that reaches 56 degrees. Its bevel adjustment and positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees ensure optimum cutting flexibility. The lowered guard design improves performance. The built-in LED light and dust blower enhances the line of cut for increased accuracy. The reinforced power cord withstands job site abuse. Make quick one-handed adjustments with its large rubberized levers with easy-to-read numbers and ruler markings. The 7 1/4 inch magnesium circular.
This is the Bosch CS10 7 1/4 inch circular saw. This circ saw will let you power through wood, OSB, or composite. If you're a framer, roofer, or deck builder, this is a great tool to have on the job. This tool was built with durability in mind. The depth bracket and footplate are constructed with high-strength materials so that you have years of easy depth adjustment and durability. The adjustable bevel and depth levers provide consistent locking and greater accuracy to ensure your cuts are always spot on. Weighing in at just 9.8 pounds with a 15-amp motor, the CS10 can power through most materials. Vents near the bevel clear dust from your work area, giving you an unmatched line of sight so you stay consistent with your cuts. The 10-foot long cord lets you work up high without grabbing extra extensions, and the CS10 features a rafter hook for easy storage between cuts. Easily access the brushes using the removable end cap so you can do quick service and get right back to work. So this is it, the Bosch CS10 7 1/4 inch circular saw. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch circ saws.
You'll tackle your job with confidence. This 15-amp motor coupled with a magnesium shoe gives you the power and durability needed. A 7 1/4 inch carbide tooth blade allows for smooth and quick cutting. Its 55-degree bevel capacity detents at 2 different angles, and tool-free design lets you quickly adjust bevel angle to make precise cuts. Convenience and comfort are also key, thanks to the included rafter hook and contoured handle. For a job well done, you need tools you can trust. Turn to the Craftsman 7 1/4 inch 15-amp shoe circular saw.
Quarter-inch worm drive. Known as Sawsquatch, this monster of a saw comes with a motor that is specifically designed to cut 4x in one clean, efficient pass. Now you can easily tackle LVL, glulam, pine, and PSL wood. Sawsquatch comes with our dual-field motor technology, found in all skill saws. Dual copper windings dissipate heat and keep the motor running cooler, providing increased power and durability for the life of the saw. Backed by our Stay True guarantee, you can try out this saw for 180 days. If you're not satisfied, just return it, no questions asked. There's no comparison when it comes to the power of Skillsaw, and Sawsquatch is no exception. For more on this saw, visit skillsaw.com.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video, and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.